Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vermicelli rice noodles. First, understand that preparing these delicate noodles is a straightforward process, but proper technique is absolutely key for achieving perfect, non-sticky results. Always begin by checking the specific cooking instructions on your chosen noodle package, as recommendations can vary slightly between brands. Generally, the first crucial step involves a simple pre-soak to adequately soften the dried strands, setting the perfect foundation for a delicious meal. For the ideal soak, place your vermicelli in a large bowl and completely submerge them in very hot tap water, not boiling water from a kettle. This gentle heat helps to rehydrate them without cooking. Allow the noodles to soak for approximately 5 to 10 minutes, depending on their thickness. Thinner noodles will soften faster. Check for readiness by tasting a strand. It should be tender yet still possess a slight, desirable chewiness. After the soaking period, some recipes call for a very brief boil, especially if you desire a softer texture or if the noodles still feel too firm. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil, then add your soaked vermicelli, cooking them for just 1 to 2 minutes. They cook incredibly fast. Promptly drain the noodles in a fine mesh colander, then rinse them immediately and thoroughly under cold running water to stop the cooking process and prevent sticking. Preventing your vermicelli from clumping together is crucial for a pleasant eating experience. The cold water rinse after boiling washes away excess starch that contributes to stickiness, leaving you with distinct strands. For an extra layer of protection, lightly toss the drained and rinsed noodles with about 1 teaspoon of a neutral flavored oil, such as vegetable or grapeseed oil. This creates a thin barrier, ensuring each noodle remains separate and perfectly ready for your dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.